You've been there since the beginning. You have loved me from the start. You were always there to teach and guide my heart. As the world spins on around me, I choose which path to take. You always show me, Lord, which steps to make. Lord, please hear my prayer. Light my way as I walk to forever. Hold my hand, Lord, through the night. Guide me through the dark and help me shine bright. Hold my hand, Lord, and keep my feet on the ground. From you I'll never part.
Ito po yung bahay ng cousin ko, Candy. Ito yung bahay niya na napuno ng ano dito, sasakyan. Hindi na kami makadaan.
Paano kayo nakalabas?
Doon.
Cross the roof.
Kasi ang tagalan namin dito, 30 years na, ngayon lang ito nangyari. No? Ngayon lang ito nangyari, tapos naglabasan ng mga doon na may mga ghost project pala.
Water came in, then we were on that floor, we crossed that one, then we were on top of that rooftop. So basically, we need all of your help.
Ang bilis ng mga pangyayari talaga.
Hindi namin inasahan na ganito pala yung mangyayari. Akala namin kunting baha lang, ganun.
Ang Iglesia ni Cristo lang ang unang ni tabang namo. Ug daghang salamat.
Daghang salamat sa inyong gihatag.